If you've outgrown the entry-level powder coating gun, but don't need a full pro 100 kV system, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. This is the Eastwood HOTCOAT 40 kV powder coating system, and it's built to bridge the gap between beginner and pro. If you're just getting started, the PCS 250 is a great entry point. It's reliable, simple to use, and works great for small projects. We talk to pros all the time who say they actually keep a PCS 250 in their shop for those small jobs. If you're stepping into professional powder coating, the HOTCOAT 100 kV is the move. It comes with all the bells and whistles, and we even offer things like dosing air, fluidizing air, and a 5-pound fluidizing hopper. But what about the serious DIYer? The builder who doesn't want to outsource powder coating anymore, coating wheels, brackets, engine parts, even differentials. That's where the 40 kV lives. You get real adjustability, real control, and real professional style features without paying for an industrial level output that you may not need. At the heart of this system is a high voltage Corona charging design that delivers up to 40,000 volts and 50 microamps of output. Here's why that matters. Voltage is what attracts powder to your part, and amperage determines how aggressive that attraction is. Higher consistent voltage means stronger electrostatic pull. That gives you better wraparound edges, more uniform film build, less waste, and a smoother finish. And because this system produces a consistent and adjustable charge, you're not fighting uneven coverage with this unit. You're in control. This is where it separates itself from the basic hobby guns. You can fine-tune both voltage and amperage directly from the front panel. Different parts need different settings. We even provide baseline settings right on the front of the unit, and once you get comfortable, you can really dial in based on your preferences. Amperage control also helps prevent back ionization, that uneven texture you get when too much charge builds up. So instead of hoping it sprays right, you can really dial it in. That's professional level control in a hobby price system. This is where the 40 kV really starts punching above its weight. Pulse mode rapidly cycles the electrical output instead of delivering a constant charge. Powder coating naturally struggles in recessed areas, inside corners, tight pockets around sharp edges. The electrostatic field can actually repel powder in those areas, also known as the Faraday cage effect. Pulse mode softens and stabilizes the charge. That allows powder to penetrate deeper into corners, wrap more evenly around edges, reduce buildup and back ionization, and improve consistency on complex geometry. In other words, you get better coverage where cheaper guns may struggle. This is one of those features that once you use it, you won't want to go without it. Another big step up from our PCS 250 is that this is a true hopper-fed system, modeled after professional setups. That means fewer refills in the middle of a project, better efficiency when coating wheels or larger components, and easy cleanup between colors, thanks to the stainless construction. Want to speed things up even more? Add a couple extra hoppers and dedicate them to primer, your colors, and your clears. That's how you streamline multi-coat projects and work more like a pro. You get adjustable airflow directly from the control unit, which allows for precise powder metering and consistent delivery. And that matters because powder flow consistency equals finish consistency. Too much flow, you waste powder and risk texture issues. Too little, you fight thin spots and uneven coverage. The adjustable airflow lets you dial in that delivery for the exact part that you're spraying. This system is fully capable of true multi-stage powder coating. Now, why is that important? Because depth, gloss, and durability often come from layering. Primer for adhesion, color for aesthetics, clear for protection and depth. That's how commercial shops achieve that deep, glass-like finish. Now you can do it too in your own shop. Different parts require different spray patterns. The included deflectors let you tailor your spray pattern to small brackets, large panels, or detailed components. Instead of overspraying or fighting uneven distribution, you can focus the powder exactly where you need it. More control equals better results. Powder coating is all about electrical attraction. A solid ground ensures stable charge and consistent adhesion. A poor ground equals inconsistent coating. This system includes a dedicated grounding lead, so you're set up properly right from the start. Now let's talk about something just as important as features: support. Yes, there are other guns at this level, but nobody supports the DIY powder coater like Eastwood. When you buy this system, you're not just getting a box. You're getting access to our YouTube channel with step-by-step content, real-world project tutorials, in-house project advisors who will literally stay on the phone and walk you through a job. It even comes with a 1-year warranty and decades of DIY powder coating authority. We didn't just enter the DIY coating category, we literally built it. If you're ready to step beyond entry level, if you want more control and better coverage and professional style features, but you still want something priced for the serious hobbyist, the HOTCOAT 40kV is your next move. This is the sweet spot between beginner and pro. Click the link in the description to visit eastwood.com and pick up the 40kV today.